Good afternoon, all the first year students. Today we will see the urea cycle, metabolism of amino acids. See the urea cycle. Urea cycle. The urea biosynthesis urea take place. Urea cycle, the biosynthesis of urea take place in the liver. Where is take place? अरे यार दिसत नाही. Biosynthesis of the urea cycle, biosynthesis of urea take place in the liver by the series of reaction known as urea. Urea is end product of protein metabolism. Urea is end product of protein metabolism. Are you understand? These are the metabolism of the protein, and urea is end product. Urea is biosynthesis reaction take place in the liver by the series of reaction known as urea. Now the excess nitrogen resulting from amino acid catabolism the excess nitrogen resulting from amino acids catabolism is excreted in the form of urea. See, the urea cycle, biosynthesis of urea take place in the liver. Metabolism generally take place in the liver by the series reaction known as urea. This urea is end product of protein metabolism. And how the urea is formed? The excess कैसे फॉर्म होता है बॉडी में? The excess nitrogen result from the amino acids. excess जो बॉडी में नाइट्रोजन एक्सेस फ्रॉम कहाँ से आता है? वो अमाइनो एसिड से. अमाइनो एसिड and the catabolize is excreted. Then catabolize reaction take place and they are excreted in the form of urea in urine. Okay. Now the reaction, first reaction. अब ये यूरिया साइकिल NH4 plus carbon dioxide, that formation of carbamoyl phosphate. Ammonia combined with carbon dioxide, this form of कार्बामोइल फॉस्फेट. क्या फॉर्म करता है? कार्बामोइल फॉस्फेट NH2C double bond O P, called as कार्बामोइल phosphate. ये क्या, यूरिया combine with the carbon dioxide to form कार्बामोइल phosphate in the presence of कार्बामोइल phosphate synthetase in the presence of enzyme कार्बामोइल phosphate synthetase, कार्बामोइल phosphate synthetase and 2 ATP molecules is present. In the presence of 2 ATP molecules are present, is give to ADP molecule plus phosphorylation take place. That is the first step, formation of कार्बामोइल phosphate. Ammonia combined with carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide to form कार्बामोइल phosphate in the presence of कार्बामोइल phosphate synthesis and 2 ATP molecules. Okay. The next, formation of citrulline. Next should be the formation of citrulline. This combined with here is citrulline, formation of citrulline. The carbamoyl phosphate is transferred to the synthesis of citrulline in the presence of ornithine transcarbamylase. In the presence of, यहाँ पे क्या है, और ornithine transcarbamylase, ornithine transcarbamylase to form arginosuccinate. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है, arginosuccinate. It should be form arginosuccinate. Arginosuccinate in the presence of arginosuccinate synthesis. Arginosuccinate synthetase, arginosuccinate synthesis to form arginosuccinate. The second stage, this carbamoyl phosphate transferred to citrulline in the presence of ornithine transamylase. The citrulline, next step, third step, to formation of arginosuccinate. Citrulline to form arginosuccinate in the presence of enzyme arginosuccinate synthetase, and this arginosuccinate synthetase aspartate then condense with the citrulline to form arginosuccinate in the presence of arginosuccinate synthesis. Okay. Next should be the यहाँ पे condense reaction take place of arginosuccinate. Now here arginosuccinate get convert to the arginosuccinate. Okay, see the cycle. Okay, complete cycle. Fumarate. The fumarate, they are condensed reaction take place arginosuccinate. They get oxalo acetate and then get the aspartate and then they get the arginosuccinate. Arginosuccinate is formed. Citrulline condensed reaction take place. The aspartate then condense with the citrulline. Aspartate condense with the citrulline. Third stage, aspartate condense with the citrulline to form arginosuccinate in the presence of arginosuccinate synthetase. Next, arginosuccinate to form arginine. Arginosuccinate to form arginine. Arginine to form arginine. The enzyme is present is arginine succinase. Arginine succinase. The enzyme is present to form arginine succinate. Next step, arginosuccinate to form arginine in the presence of enzyme arginine succinate. Then arginine to form ornithine. And the end product is urea in the presence of enzyme arginase and the addition of water molecule. That's a complete urea cycle. The last, formation of urea. The arginase clavase to give the yield of urea and ornithine in the presence of arginase enzyme, and ornithine is then reused in the urea cycle. Again, this urea cycle is complete. Now this is the urea cycle. Now the first, can you understand? First, formation, first stage, the formation of carbamoyl phosphate. Formation of carbamoyl phosphate. The first step, that is the first. Ammonia combined with the carbon dioxide to form carbamoyl phosphate. Formation of carbamoyl phosphate. Now here, ammonia combined with carbon dioxide to form carbamoyl phosphate in the presence of carbamoyl phosphate synthetase and 2 ATP molecules. 2 ATP. First step, formation of carbamoyl phosphate. That is the formation of carbamoyl phosphate. That is the first step. Okay. Ammonia combined with carbon dioxide to form a carbamoyl phosphate in the presence of carbamoyl synthetase and 2 mol ATP molecule. Second stage. Now see the second stage. Formation of citrulline. This second stage, formation of, this is the first stage, you understand, ammonia combined with the carbon dioxide to form carbamoyl phosphate in the presence of carbamoyl phosphate synthetase and 2 ATP molecule. Just you are written here. Now the second stage, big problem is there. Okay. Now the second stage, what is second stage? Formation of citrulline. This is the cycle. Okay. This is the cycle. Now the second, you write down the second stage. Okay, you getting. Okay. Now the second. Keep the cycle in front of you, then you can understand. Now the second stage. The formation of this citrulline. Second stage, formation of citrulline. The carbamoyl group of phosphate is transferred and to form citrulline. C. Carbamoyl phosphate. Carbamoyl group of carbamoyl phosphate. Now here carbamoyl group of carbamoyl phosphate is transferred to ornithine, transfer to ornithine to form citrulline, in the presence of ornithine transcarbamylase. तो उसमें क्या है, ornithine trans present enzyme, in the presence of enzyme ornithine transmylase. C. Second stage, formation of citrulline. Here see the cycle. Formation of citrulline. Here formation of citrulline. Carbamoyl group of phosphate is transferred to ornithine to form citrulline. Carbamoyl phosphate group of carbamoyl phosphate transferred to ornithine. See the here. Group of ornithine transferred to the carbamoyl phosphate. Carbamoyl group of carbamoyl phosphate transferred to the ornithine to form citrulline. Carbamoyl group of carbamoyl phosphate transferred to ornithine to form citrulline in the presence of ornithyl transcarbamylase. Okay, this enzyme. Now the third stage. अभी ये third stage. तीसरा क्या है, formation of arginosuccinate. Third, formation of arginosuccinate. Formation of arginosuccinate. The aspartate कंडेंस विथ द सिट्रुलिन, ये दिस द एस्पार्टेट, देखो यहाँ पे एस्पार्टेट कंडेंस विथ द सिट्रुलिन टू फॉर्म अर्जिनोसक्सिनेट, यहाँ पे एस्पार्टेट कंडेंस विथ citrulline to form arginosuccinate in the presence of enzyme, in the presence of arginosuccinate synthetase, arginosuccinate synthesis. This is the third stage. क्या है third stage? Formation of arginosuccinate. Aspartate condense with the citrulline. This aspartate condense with the citrulline to form arginosuccinate in the presence of arginosuccinate synthesis. And the fourth stage, formation of arginine. The fourth stage, formation of arginine, okay, NINE, formation of arginine. Arginosuccinate get breakdown, this arginosuccinate get breakdown arginosuccinate get breakdown to form arginine, to form arginine in the presence of enzyme arginosuccinate, in the presence of enzyme arginine succinase. Okay, now this arginosuccinate, the fourth stage, arginosuccinate get breakdown to form arginine, to get the arginine succinate, and finally formation of urea. Formation of urea. The arginine cleavage to give arginine, this is the arginine cleavage, arginine cleavage to give the yield of, give the yield of ornithine and urea in the presence of arginase and ornithine reuse in urea cycle. Ornithine is reused in the urea cycle. Are you understand? These are the 5 steps. Okay, can I explain again? First step, again, urea biosynthesis. First step, formation of carbamyl phosphate. Ammonia combined with carbon dioxide to form up carbamyl phosphate. In the presence of carbamyl phosphate synthesis and 2 ATP molecule, the carbamyl group of carbamyl phosphate transferred to the ornithine to form citrulline. Carbamyl group of carbamyl phosphate transferred to the citrulline to form transferred to ornithine to form citrulline in the presence of ornithine transcarbonate. Next stage, formation of arginosuccinate. Aspartate condenses with the citrulline in the presence of arginosuccinate synthesis. Then next, formation of arginine. Arginosuccinate molecule is a breakdown to give the arginine in the presence of enzyme arginine succinase. Next stage is formation of urea. Arginine cleavage to give the yield ornithine and the urea in the presence of arginase. Ornithine is reused, is a urea cycle, is complete urea cycle. Thank you.